Hello, my name is Kim Vermaak. I'm your go-to lady to teach you how to get people to love your brand. Today, we're talking about X-frame banners. Now, you may be familiar with the pull-up banner, and that is where the banner goes into a mechanism and the event coordinator simply pulls it up at the event with the pole in the back. But an X-frame banner has got more components to it. However, it is roughly half the price of a pull-up banner, which makes it ideal for startup entrepreneurs and also companies that have got a lot of reps on the road who need to do presentations and need a cost-effective, quick and easy to install banner. And here we are going to teach you how to install the banner. Now, it comes in 4 key components. The first is the tripod, which is very easy to install. You simply open it up, making sure that the 2 legs face the front and the single leg faces the back. And then you have your rods with hooks. And when you're installing this, make sure that the hooks are facing your audience. You then put the rods into these holes in the tripod. And the final component that you have is the printed banner. Now, I always advise people that when you are having banners designed, try and get them to be professionally designed if you can, so that they have quite a dramatic effect and don't just look like something you threw together by yourself on the computer. Key components for a banner is that they must always have contact details on them so that people who are walking past can easily take down your details. Now, when you unroll the printed skin, you will find that there are eyelets on the corners that are reinforced, and these eyelets you place over your hooks, like so. This side, the second side, third, and the final side. So you can see it's very quick and easy and cost effective. You do need to be aware that the X-frame banner is much bulkier than the pull-up banner because the mechanism is larger than a pull-up banner. But counteract the fact that it is very cost effective, as I said, roughly half of the price, and you have an excellent banner option for your event. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to find out more about our corporate gifts and clothing, you can contact us on sales at beautifulcorporategifts.co.za. And after the video, please click the subscribe button